Welcome to this video tutorial for the NMP flight application. The learning objective of this tutorial is to show the slot swap feature of this application. I've configured my flight list to show the swap column, and I've also sorted by that column, and it shows me that I have 7 flights that are eligible for a slot swap, and for each of those flights it shows me the count of previous swaps. Here you'll see they're all set to 0. I'm going to look at my flight that has a significant delay, 68 minutes, and see if the slot swap can help me reduce that delay. So we open the second glance and click on the slot swap link, which opens the third pane on the slot swap tab. What I have here is that all candidates are currently selected. I just want to make sure that I only show the ones that improve my flight. So I've selected the Improve Subject Flight button, and now all of the flights that are in the candidate flight list will improve my subject flight. And if I look in the new subject CTOT column, in brackets, it shows how much my subject flight will be reduced in delay if I select one of those flights. Here, I'm going to select the one that reduces my subject flight's delay by the most, by 50 minutes. That fills in red some information in the subject flight, telling me that my new delay will be 18 minutes. But I'm also told that the candidate flight is now going to have a delay of 62 minutes. But as my subject flight is critical, I am happy with that, and I will launch the slot swap procedure by clicking on the action button Slot Swap, which brings up a dialog which I fill in some information to inform NM of why I am making the request, and then I send the request. In this case, my swap has been rejected because the flight is in pre-sequenced status at an ACDM airport. That's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and please leave a comment if you have any feedback for us.